Ratanakosin Iceland.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
And how can we call this place?
You can call it Yodpiman Market or Yodpiman Riverwalk. Yodpiman Riverwalk is located Pakong Talat district. It has 300-meter long balcony along the Chao Phraya River.
Oh, and it's very easy to get here. You can come here by bus, car, or Chao Phraya Express boat. And in the near future, there are metro station too.
Anyway, this place is so beautiful and it looks like we back in the old days of Bangkok. It makes me want to know more about the history of Yodpiman.
Oh, I agree.
History. The area where Yodpiman now stood had been known as Pakong Talat from Ayutthaya to Ratanakosin periods. It was the location where boats from everywhere stopped. Until 50 years ago, the building was warehouse for fruits and flowers. Now, Pakong Talat has turned to a new chapter by arrivals of Yodpiman the River Walk. Yodpiman River Walk is located in the center of Pakong Talat. Pakong Talat is a famous tourist attraction. The project was built along the Chao Phraya River. It is located near Suan Kulap Vidyalai School, the King Puttayodfa Jula Monument, and Span Phut Nai Bazaar. And across the river, there are Kalayanimitr Temple and Santa Cruz Church. To get there is the code to Jak Phet Road, Asdang Road, and Paputtayodfa Bridge. You can use bus, car, and Chao Phraya Express boat to come here. Yodpiman River Walk is a community mall which has a total of 6 buildings. It includes Siam Pakan, Viman Ayutthaya, Nawa Phanit, Vichit Phanakon, Yodpiman Thani, and Burisalan building. They are decorated according to different history periods, with Ayutthaya period to Bangkok.
The purpose of this project is to develop the fourth largest flower market in the world and to blend in with the beautiful surroundings.
The design concept is Thai Heritage Mall. It still remains the old flower market, while the new building will blend in with surrounding important places. The characteristic of architecture is colonial style, which affected from the world architecture in Ratanakosin period.
Yodpiman River Walk use square shapes in the design. When you look at the plan, you can see that spaces are planned using squares and rectangles. They are interconnected.
Interior design. Inside, the decoration is different in each building, but there are still similarities. The designer used primarily white color to make it feel wider. Similarly, the walkway used horizontal wooden floor to make it look wider. The store used Thai fabric is different from other parts to separate the store area from the public area.
Because this place has a very limited landlord, the owner tries to arrange function efficiently. Space inside the building is mainly composed with store,
but there is still the area for exhibitions or other events. There is also an outstretched balcony on the second floor, which is the area of the restaurant to make interaction with the outside of the building.
This place is a new shopping mall and has many restaurants. The groups of people who come to Yodpiman are both Thai and foreign tourists.